Good day, viewers. You're welcome to Catch Up Math class. In this tutorial, I will provide solutions to these given simultaneous equations. So, where we have root x plus y is equals to 7 and x plus root y is equals to 11. So, we need to find the values of x and y. Solution. Okay, and of course, remember when you are given a system of linear equations, okay, to solve that, we can make use of elimination method or substitution method. But the equations given here are nonlinear. So they are not linear, so meaning that we cannot make use of elimination method. So before we can make use of elimination method, we need to eliminate the square root there. Okay, we need to eliminate the square root there, and the only thing that can eliminate square root is square when you take square of both sides. But we can't do that here. Okay, so what should we do here? Let a be root x, okay, and b be root y. And of course, if a is root x and b is root y, now looking at this, of course, without solving anything, we should know that the value of x and y will be 4 and 9. Yeah, that will be the value of x and y. All right, because when x is 9, you have root 9 to be 3. That's 3 plus 4, that will give us 7. Then you have 4 plus 9 plus root 4, that's 2. Root 2 is 2. 9 plus 2, that's 11. So of course, obviously the value of x here is 9, y the value of y is 4. But then how are we going to get that? Okay, how are we going to get that? So now we let a to be root x and b to be root y. And the implication of this is for x to be perfect square, for x and y to be perfect square number, so meaning that a and b must belongs to natural number. Okay, this must be natural number, meaning that you cannot get negative value for this for a and negative value for b as well. Okay, so now if that is the case, then you now have a to be root x. By implication, we have x to be a squared and y will be b squared. So all we just have to do is in a place of root x we put a, so that will be a, and y is what? We have y to be b squared, and this is 7. Okay, and x, we have x to be a squared plus root y is b, is equals to 11. Okay, so let's call this to be equation 3 and this to be equation 4. Okay, so let's just say equation 4 minus 3, so that will give us a squared plus b minus a minus b squared is equals to 11 minus 7, that will give us 4. Okay, so this can be, so we have a squared minus b squared plus b minus a is equals to 4. And of course, a squared minus b squared is difference of 2 squared, and that can be written as a minus b, a plus b. And of course, to rewrite b minus a in terms of a minus b now, so we just need to factorize minus out, then we have a minus b equals 4. Okay, so by implication, a minus b is common, so we have a minus b here, a minus b here. So what you just need to do is to factorize that out. So when you factorize a minus b, then you have a plus b minus 1, then is equals to 4. All right, now we have product of two numbers to be 4. So a minus b times a plus b minus 1 is equals to 4. Obviously, the two factors we have here are not equal, meaning that a plus b minus 1 not equals to a minus b. So, and we need product of two positive numbers that will give us 4. But the numbers must belong to what? Natural numbers. AB, don't forget AB belongs to natural number. So any relationship between A and B must be natural number as well. Okay, must be a closure. So based on what you have here. Okay, so what we just need to do now, since A squared, so we have product of two numbers that will now give us 4. Remember, a minus b, a plus b minus b must be natural number. So the only product of two numbers that will give us 4 are 1 4 4 1 and 2, 2. So 1 times 4, 5, 4 times 1, 2 times 2. So these are the numbers that will give us 4. But when you look at the factors we have here, they are not equal. So meaning that you cannot make use of what? 2 times 2. You can either make use of 1 times 4 or 4 times 1. And of course, a plus b minus 1 is greater than a minus b. So meaning that a minus b, a plus b minus 1, this can be written as 1 times 4. So all we just have to do is to compare now. So a minus b is equals to 1 and a plus b minus 1 is equals to 4. And of course, this is a plus b is equals to 5. So let's call this to be, we have another two equations again. So let's call this to be equation 5 and this to be equation 6. Okay, so let's just add that a minus b plus a plus b is equals to 1 plus 5. So of course this will take this, then you have 2a is equals to 6. By implication, a is equals to 3. So we've gotten value of a to be 3 now, so we can just put that in equation 4 or 5 to get b. So let's put that in 6. In 6. So you substitute a equals 3 in 6. And what do we have in equation 6? A plus b is equals to 5. So b is equals to 5 minus 3. Then b is equals to 2. And as you can see, the values of a and b are 2 and 3, and they belongs to natural numbers. Okay, so of course, looking at the given questions, we are not given question rather. So we are not to find, we are given to be in terms of x and y, not a and b. So we just have to put that here to get the x value and y value. So where x is a squared, so you have x to be 3 squared, so x is equals to 9. And we have y to be b squared, so y is equals to 2 squared, and y is equals to 4. So the values of x and y here are 4 and 9. So if you are just joining us for the first time, don't forget to click on the subscription bell so that you'll be notified whenever I release a video. Thank you. Bye bye.